welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to be getting on with some cleaning. Now, the house is an absolute mess, so let's go. And also have a gossip and a little chat at the same time. So hello to anybody that is new to my channel. We are the Hodsons. We are a blended family and I post all types of content from fashion, mum, beauty, lifestyle, makeup, all of the sort of goodness. And I'm just super happy to have you all here with me on this amazing journey. So I wanted to be a YouTuber since I was from what I can remember, 12 years old. It's always been my goal, always been my dream, and it's just everything that I want to achieve. So here we are, doing our utmost to achieve that. I'm also on other platforms as well, like TikTok, Instagram, but my main focus at the moment is YouTube and growing a community. So we are in the middle of doing some house renovations. These kitchen tiles are all going to be black. Most of them are actually done. I just need to finish the sink part, if I'm honest. I'm not afraid to admit I'm actually quite a lazy person, which sucks because I struggle really badly with mental health. So I am doing everything I can to keep on top of the cleaning and just my general well-being. So I'm doing my best to clean as much as I can every time I get a free chance, if I do say so. So yeah, I don't really know what else I can say on that front, apart from stick around for the journey, guys, because there's going to be lots of cool things. I'm also thinking about doing someone knocked my door, apologies guys, but yeah, doing budget friendly videos of meals and just beauty products and all that sort of thing. So yeah, I want to do a mixture of different things on this channel to keep people engaged and just to do what I love, especially more of the cleaning side. I need to get back into my cleaning because I love cleaning. Some people may or may not think so because my house is usually messy 90% of the time because I do have a child, and on the weekend we have 2 children. So you can imagine it does get really, really messy. But nonetheless, that is just life. So we actually go away to Skegness, not this Monday coming, but the Monday after. So there will be some day trip vlogs, come and visit places with us, lots of different things. We go to Skegness every single year, and I want to start filming a lot more and putting a lot more effort into my content. I find I get creator block quite a lot, and I end up just being a bit I don't know what to post. And then when I do post, I'm disappointed because I feel like I didn't put enough into it, if that makes sense, even though I'm putting everything that I possibly can into it. But we all like to be a little bit self-critical every now and then, don't we? So yeah, I've actually had loads of things happen recently that I really could have filmed, but have completely forgot to. We got a puppy almost 5 weeks ago now, which is currently nibbling on my finger and it hurts. But yeah, so we got a little puppy called Diesel. He is now 12 weeks old. We got him when he was 8 weeks old, and we have no idea what breed he is. So if you do follow me on my other platforms and you do have an idea of what you think he looks like, well, in fact, there he is in the video. Please do let us know. Someone said Lakeland Terrier cross Jack Russell. Someone has said a Patterdale. It's just really hard to know because even the vets have said that they're not 100% sure on what they think he is. He still has some growing time yet, so he could still grow and look completely different. I don't know at this point. I'm not very good when it comes to pet breeds, and anyway, I'm more of a cat person than I am a dog person. But we thought, do you know what, let's complete the family, let's get a dog. And he is an absolute nightmare. He has destroyed the whole house and he thinks he owns the place, which is just brilliant. But yeah, on the plus side, I should have filmed it, and I think that's the thing with me. I get easily distracted of being in the moment of these things, that I just always forget to film what I'm doing. So I'm going to try my best to focus on putting in more effort and time into just filming literally everything that I possibly can. This room has recently been decorated as well. This is my little boy's room, but we just chucked all the washing in here. So it all needs to go away because it's an absolute state. And as I said, it's so easy to just get messy. I mean, it takes all day to tidy and then 2 seconds to just destroy the house. And I find that I'm cleaning all the time. Like, it just never ends. I'm just constantly cleaning. But that's life. So a little bit more background on who I am and what we do. I actually have a son, as you can see, and he will be 5 in October, and he currently starts school this year, which kind of excited about, kind of nervous about, but at least it'll give me more time to focus and just get everything that I need to get done. And he's a terror. He has possible ADHD, so that's always fun. Anybody have any tips as well on how to grout your bathroom? Like, I've tried a grout pen and it's all just gone back to a skanky colour again, and it's just not seemed to have worked. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to grout. I don't know if the grout needs to be removed and then like new needs to be put down, or whether you grout over the top. I don't know. I love DIY, but when it comes to like building and like, you know, the whatever you'd call it, these sorts of things, I'm not very good with that type of stuff. So if anyone has any ideas on how to actually grout, then I would be super grateful in you guys giving me some advice and the best solution, because it's just going manky. Like, I need to rip all the seals off the shower. I need to get a replacement shower head and shower tube, because obviously we're, like I say, in the process of doing house renovations. So I don't tend to start with one room at a time. I just tend to do whatever room I feel like, and whatever I see that I want to buy, I just buy it. I cannot focus on just doing one room at a time. That's just not me. I like to feel like the house is kind of done, if that makes sense, rather than one room being all nice and the others being just like plain and, you know, nowhere near done. But yeah, any tips would be very great. These baskets as well get really messy. I was going to change them, but I don't know what to put up here, even though these baskets are actually waterproof. But I don't know, I'm thinking I need a few more like pink plants in the bathroom, but who knows. So yeah, just doing all the little bits of cleaning today that I've kind of neglected for a while, or I need a little bit more focus. For instance, these bathroom tubs, they are absolutely awful. Like, there's stuff in there that don't even belong in there. Like, it's just, yeah, annoying. I did also do a few other bits, like I did empty the bin out and I did clean the toilet and all that, but I did that off camera, because I don't know, I didn't want to bore everybody, and I want to do more cleaning videos, so those can be in another video that I do next time. But yeah, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to, oh, my dog is attacking me, share some love, give me a subscribe if you can as well, please guys. And like I say, just stick around for the journey, because there's going to be lots and lots to do and see on this channel. As you can see, guys, at the bottom of the shower, you can see how the grout has gone like a disgusting orangey colour. And it's just, yeah, it's not great. So I'm going to end this voice here, guys, and just let it play out for the last few seconds. But yeah, have a fantastic day, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment if you did, and I hope you all have the best day ever. And thank you for being here. I love you guys so much. Bye, guys.